All right, fellow meme stockholders, XMAX trading here on my comfortable chair. Just want to look at Xela, the famous penny company right now that I'm pretty interested in. I was doing some TA analysis on it, trying to see what patterns I could see. So let's get into it. Let's look at this. So obviously this triangle, this wedge formation worked really well, spiked upwards. And so looking at Elliott wave, I think I can see this impulse wave, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last impulse wave, and this is sort of corrective wave. I don't know if it's ABC or WXY, I don't know, but I think it's in the corrective mode, unfortunately. So it didn't spike up all the way we want to see it. But it's kind of neat to see this pattern here, the downward channel. And then, yep, it fell. Created this exhaustion gap right here. Fell below the gap. Stochastic. Yep. Sold or overbought. Boom. Here's a gap right here. Not all gaps need to be filled, but it is interesting this gap occurred. And then I was starting to see, you know, this sort of triangle formation, this falling wedge. It seemed to work, you know. It seemed to. I should have published it sooner, but yeah, it had a little mini spike up again. Fell down, got tight, fell down some more, unfortunately. So I think it falls down to Fibonacci levels because it was interacted over here with Fibonacci, interacting here, fell down, found support kind of halfway. And then it bursted through, and then it came kind of interacted, it came back down. So I think my guess is this could come back down to test 250 or something like that at some point in the future. If it would, you know, it wouldn't bother me. You know, I think long-term Xela is pretty good. Let's look at technical analysis, 1 hour. Yeah, somebody's getting kind of close to the. If it fell below the 0.786, I'd be really worried. Let's have this red arrow here. So I think it could interact with this. Well, see, look at that. It's coming back around. I think it's still tightening up. Kind of going through its own consolidation phase. It's tightening up on stochastic, so I think it's going to make a pivot. And look at the 1 hour, dude. This thing peaked here. Boom. Oversold and overbought in stochastic. Same thing, came back up. Yeah, I did kind of find its pivot here and went back down. MACD, RSI. So yeah, MACD I think could be pivoting towards more of a bullish sentiment. Maybe it'll come back up to this Fibonacci line for a while. RSI is definitely oversold. Stochastic oversold. Volume's kind of weak, unfortunately, but if I pick up at some point. Well, I just want to let you guys know how I'm seeing this, and chat at you later.